Well, hey there guys, so for today's video I'm going to be showing you my fave Grove Collaborative products. This has actually been highly requested from you guys since I did my first video that Grove Collaborative sponsored for me, and I told you guys that I would show you all of my favorite products that I've been using from them. Being a minimalist, it's not like a never-ending list, so it should be super easy to follow, but they are also running an Earth Day campaign right now, and so with your first order you get this little kit right here for free. You get this neat little cleaning caddy, their cleaning essentials set concentrates, a free spray bottle, which you'll see are my favorites in a moment, and then some walnut scrubbing sponges as well. I will have everything that I mentioned though listed down below, as well as the link to get your free bundle too. I'm going to start off with what I'm most excited about lately and one of my newest additions to my Grove Collaborative finds, and that is patch bandages. These are 100% compostable, biodegradable, so kind of perfect to mention these two for this Earth Day collaboration. I was skeptical at first. I don't know if you guys have ever tried like actual Band-Aids brand, like their kids ones. They never even stick, especially if like you had to put it on and then you had to like adjust it. Oh no, that would be done. That Band-Aid would need to be thrown away. I was thinking with these being made of bamboo and being a natural option and compostable, they probably wouldn't stick very well. No. These stick so well. Better than any actual Band-Aid brand I've ever had. I have these ones, they're just for adults, they're just plain colored, and then these ones have little pandas on them for the girls. And so I first tried them on Revelyn. She ran around outside with it, she slept in it, and it still stayed on. It did not come off until she purposefully pulled it off. I had to adjust it when I first put it on her, so I was nervous to take it back off. And it was kind of hard to pull it back off, and I was like, oh no, it's probably gonna hurt her. She didn't even complain. And not only that, but when I restuck it on, like I said, it still stayed on her through her playing outside, digging around in dirt, leaning down in the grass, and getting back up. She was in a dress, mind you, so it's not like it was protected by any pants. And sleeping with it on, everything. It still stayed on. So these are awesome, especially since we compost as well. We can just go ahead and throw these into our composter when we're done with them. So highly suggest. They have like 4 different kinds, I think, too. I think they have like an aloe vera infused one, a charcoal infused one, then they have the plain ones, and then they have these with little pandas on it for the kids. Okay, so their spray bottles, pretty much all of their spray bottles I love. You can put your own cleaning concentrate in them. They have theirs, like this one right here is their cleaning essentials kit that you get for free. It has the glass cleaner, tub and tile cleaner, and the all-purpose cleaner in it. I have 3 of them. The other one is my thieves cleaner, is in, it's somewhere around here. This one is a tub and tile cleaner. This is actually just water right now, and that is because this was what I was using before I got this puppy right here. This is a room spray bottle, actually, again from Grove Collaborative, but I actually use it to mist my plants. I mist my plants' leaves every single day, at least all the ones that like that. I use this. It's got the perfect like mist, like it's literally mist. So I use this to mist all their leaves, to do my air plants throughout the week, and they love it. I find that they've been thriving a lot more since doing this every single day with them. It's kind of like they get like a mini rain without actually soaking their roots. It's also a room spray bottle though, obviously, so you could use some essential oils and stuff and make your own room spray as well with these. So these are just another awesome alternative as well to get rid of plastic in your home, and just make your own or use their concentrates. So a lot of people can look at these and they are like 3 little plastic bottles, and they can think, well, yeah, but it's still plastic that you're adding to it. I have a little fun fact to share with you guys from Grove Collaborative. In 2019, Grove's concentrate kits will stop 260,000 pounds of single-use plastic from entering into the ecosystem and 340,000 gallons of water from being shipped around the country. What I love about this though is it's important to remember that not everyone is a DIY person that is a Martha Stewart and wants to do everything from scratch in their home, and that's okay. But if you still want to make a difference in the amount of plastic that is being used, you can use something like this, and obviously from those numbers you can see that it's still making a big difference. And I can say this is the tub and tile cleaner. I've been using it and it does work really well. You guys may recognize this next one from my what's in my shower video. This is the bar soap that I use. It's the Lavender and Oatmeal bar soap. She's having fun over here. So I really like this. I'm still using it. I think I'm on like my 4th bar of it. So I use a shampoo bar for my hair now, but this is what I use for actually like washing my body. Okay, so next up, this right here. It doesn't look very pretty, but they're called cellulose sponges. This is just one that's been dried out. You can throw them in the wash to wash them, throw them in the dishwasher to wash them. They have drastically diminished though the amount of paper towels that I use in our home. I love them to clean down the counters. I use my thieves spray, and then I'll just bring this right through. It does really good at cleaning up messes. You know, you just squeeze it out completely so that there's no water, and it will clean up a spill better than a paper towel will. I love those things though. I honestly don't think that I could live without them in my kitchen again. So next up is some fun things for your kitchen. You know, a dish soap dispenser is pretty simple, but I like that they all kind of match. I like the fluid look throughout the home. You can just put your own refillable dish soap in here, whatever you prefer. But we've been using it for a while now and it hasn't broken, so I think I can give it a thumbs up. So this right here is, I can't remember the name of it. It's like Suds Up Bubble. I don't know exactly how it goes. But it comes with this little brush, obviously, to clean your dishes. And then it has this right here. There's water in it right now, so I'm not gonna take it out. But this little part is a spring. Put a little bit of water down in the bottom with soap, and then you just push down when you wanna get some soap on your actual brush. And then if you want to just use it dry, if you're just, you know, rinsing something off to put it in the dishwasher and not cleaning it, you can just pick it right up and you don't have to dip it at all between washes. So it's just something that makes dishwashing a little bit more convenient and quicker. Okay, and then my last two things have to do with scents, dogs, smells, stinks, stains. So you guys had asked me to talk about how I liked this when I first got it in my haul, and it is the Paw Scents Apothecary Lemongrass Scented Pet Stain and Odor Remover. It's just a little bit better option for a stain remover for your carpet. My dogs are dogs. They're not perfect. They are potty trained, but occasionally they have accidents or they throw up. It happens. But this actually has worked really well and I can give it a thumbs up. And then this right here, I wasn't sure how I felt about it at first. It is the Counter Culture Probiotic Cleaning Tonic. And it is an air and fabric refresh. I thought that this was in an aluminum bottle, but apparently it is not. So whoever I told that it was, it isn't. I really thought that it was. It's just an aerosol-free air freshener. And when I first got it, I didn't think it was working because I didn't really smell anything when I would spray it. It would be very faint. We keep it in our little like half bath, and I've used it to just spray around the living room or the bedroom. Sometimes it gets like a little bit of a dog scent, especially with my Great Dane, and it will clear it right up. And so to me, the fact that I can't really smell that much tells me that it's actually killing the odor and removing it and not just covering it with a super heavy scent. So yeah, I can give this a thumbs up as well. Little Miss Babbly over here wanted to make a little appearance. You wanna look up? Go look up here. You're looking at all mommy's stuff. She's just been babbling, trying to get in on this video, huh? So that is going to be it for this video though, guys. I will have all the links down below for you to get your free Earth Day kit and the list of everything that I have so you can easily search it on their site too. And I will see all of your wonderful faces next week. Bye.